What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today we're here at it again with another video. And today we're here to talk about the Anker PowerWave stand, this guy right here. Now I wanted to try this out because I don't have the Pixel stand yet, and this unit here costs a quarter of the price of the Pixel stand. So because it costs so much less, I wanted to see just how it's going to perform. And maybe you've got a Pixel device or maybe another device that uses key charging and you want to know how this is going to work out as well. So let's go ahead and keep things simple and get into it. Okay, so this is the Anker PowerWave stand that I picked up off of Amazon for $17.99. Now things are going to get interesting here because this is supposed to work with the iPhone and the Samsung Galaxy line and other key charging compatible phones. Now this is capable of fast charging, but it's going to depend on the device that you're going to have. So the question here is, will this work to fast charge the Pixel 3? And that's what we're going to find out. So let's go ahead and unbox this here. Slide off the box. So we've got some paper here. We're going to slide this over here and take a look and see what's going on. So the first manual we have here is this blue one, and this is just going to show you how to set up the device. Then we got this manual here, and this is just going to give some more detailed information about the charger. And then we have a customer support card. So this is the charging stand. We're going to unwrap this and then show it off. So here we have the charging stand, and it's going to be pretty simple in design, very clean looking, very modern looking, very futuristic, which is what I like to see. Now this comes in a black color here, and you can see we've got Anker on there. Now I got a few things from Anker, and Anker is pretty cool because they are well known and they're really respected. So this is going to be a really simple device here. On the front here, we're going to have an LED indicator right there. And then on the back here, we're going to have our input, which will be a micro USB cable. Now, again, we have that micro USB cable, and that's supplied here. Now, this cable isn't going to be excessively long, probably just long enough to put on a desk and maybe plug into an outlet that's nearby. Now, we're going to go ahead and plug this end right into the charger there. So this doesn't come with a power brick. You just get the cable here, and then you have to have a power brick, of course. So obviously this is supposed to work with a key compatible phone, and we have my Pixel 3 XL here. Now this is even more interesting because I have this thick Otterbox series Defender case on here, which I have unboxed for the channel. I'm going to put that in the description below. Now again, this case is really thick. We actually have two parts. We have a plastic shell on the inside, and then we have like this rubbery portion here on the outside. So it's got to charge through both of those things there. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in. Now, as you notice there, when the charger was first powered on, we had that blue LED indicator. Now, we're going to take my Google Pixel 3 XL and drop this right on there and see just how it does. So the phone just starts charging right away. Now we're going to try the Google Pixel 3 XL on the charger in landscape mode. And there we go, that's charging also. Now I will say here, this is a little tricky. It's actually got to be directly on the back of the charger. You may have to slide it a little bit just to get it to line up because you have these coils in the back of the phone that have to line up with coils on the charger itself. So let's try this again, see if that charges right away. And as you can see, nothing's happening here. We got to just try to move it around a little, and now it's charging again. Now let's take a closer look at the charging here and tap the screen. And as you can see, this is going to say charging slowly. So how long does it take to charge this phone? That's the question. Okay, so we've got this thing charging, but it's not rapidly charging, and that's an issue. So I did a little bit more research into this, and I really don't know the exact reason why for now, but it seems like Google made that Pixel stand to be the only wireless charging stand that will rapidly charge their Google Pixel 3 devices. So for the time being, this thing is going to charge really slow. Just how slow? This will take about 8 hours to charge a phone from 5% to 100%. Now I did another experiment here, and in an hour it charged my phone about 17%. That is a really long time. So if you're buying this, you definitely don't want to count on this to give you a rapid charge when you need to get juiced up really quick. Basically, the only scenario I could see myself using this would be if I wanted to put it on the charger overnight, so in the morning it's ready to go. And that's probably going to be the only time I'm going to use this charger here. But let's talk about the value here. Now, this is made by Anker. It's a very popular brand, really respected. And this charger stand comes in at under $20. Now, for that much, can I really be upset? And the answer is no. This thing will still work for what I wanted to do, and I'm going to be using it overnight most likely. But if I need a rapid charge, I'm definitely going to be counting on that USB-C cable. But at a quarter of the price of the Pixel stand, I really can't be mad here. However, because this device took so long to charge my Pixel 3 XL, I do want to know what that Pixel stand is capable of, and I'll be picking one of those up and doing a video of that as well. But I thought this would be a great video idea because just like other people out there, I run on a budget, and I wanted to see just what under 20 bucks would get me compared to a Pixel stand. So that is pretty much it for this video today. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, you can support the channel by sharing this video with people that like this kind of stuff. You can also support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. And until next time, Leon checking out.